Hey everybody, it's Brian. Got another surprise this morning as I was walking out, checking out the bananas to see what was going on. I noticed in the back, there is another flower pod that has come out. This is actually pod number 4 that has come out. This is not the banana that I showed last week that has the flag leaf coming out. That one is still pushing out the flag leaf, and it'll probably have a pod next week sometime. But this is a 4th banana plant that I've had that will be flowering this year. I wasn't even watching this one. It's in the back. This plant was new last year. It pushed out as a new pup at the beginning of last year. It grew 12 feet last year. I didn't wrap it over the winter either, but here we are about 16 months after this thing came out of the ground. It is now flowering. It's actually really exciting, even though I will lose these taller plants because they stop growing after they flower. I was going to change this all around next year anyway, so I'm not sad to lose them. I'll probably end up with another 1 or 2 that flower this year. Exciting times.